Yo guys, how are you? I'm Ravan from Rock on Code. In these videos, we're going to learn about the programming regarding JavaScript. In order to make that happen, I'm going to drop the coding based upon 10 days of JavaScript code which was provided by the HackerRank platform. We're going to learn about the theoretical part as well as the coding part simultaneously. So let's get started. Yo guys, this is the page for the HackerRank, and if you want to log in, you can just simply use your mail ID in order to log in this, and I'm going to keep the link of this HackerRank in the description. Please go through it. And this is the practice activity, that is 10 days of JavaScript. There are so many activities posted here, so we'll just go them one after another. So first I'm going to start with this hello world. So let's just open this thing, and you can see first they're going to give you the problem here, and first you need to go through it thoroughly, and after that they will, in the bottom of the page, they will give you the compiler here, and you need to write the code here. Okay, first let's just read the problem here. Here the task is a greet function is provided in the editor below. It has one parameter, and the parameter name is, you can see, parameter variable, and here just the mentioned in the camel casing here. And using that thing, what you need to do is you need to console log print. In order to print the hello world statement, we need to use this console, and in the similar manner we need to use this parameter variable, and we need to call that particular function inside of this console.log here. Okay, and the parameter variable what we have declared here is, you can see, welcome to 10 days JavaScript. That is the line what the string value was stored inside of this parameter variable. So firstly, here you can see this is the declaration of function variable in the JavaScript here. Firstly, what is meant by function? A function is a block of code designed to perform particular task. Okay, or you can also say that function is executed when something invokes in it or calls in it. What was the meaning of that thing is, like, what are the, first we have defined the function, and what are the next one is going to be the name of the function. Inside this thing you have called the particular function. Okay, and after that, what are the code you're going to keep inside of this curly braces, that is going to be run inside of your code. Okay, and it's going to perform that particular task. What are the code was mentioned inside the thing. Okay, so first they asked us to print the statement of hello world. So the code for that one is simply console.log is the method to print the statements inside of the JavaScript, and we just need to directly print this hello world here. So we need to use this, and after that type hello comma world, and after this I need to give the semicolon. In the similar manner, in order to print the next statement, that is console.log method I'm using here, and this comes the part when are you going to calling the particular function. Here we don't need to use this column here, like inverted commas. Okay, we just directly need to call the function. So that is parameter variable, and if I just we need to give the column here. So if you just, and I have given the things. First, this parameter variable was the string value which was defined here, and if I just, this control log will be helping you to print the statement, that is the function of the JavaScript here. And if I just run this code into pass, okay, if you just, you can see, yeah, the sample test cases were working here, everything is working fine. You can see expected output is exactly matching with the output what we got here. Okay, so you can just directly submit your code. Yeah, this is how it's going to show you the result. You can see compiler message is success, and the test cases which were also passed, they are correct, and it's going to give the congratulations like this. That's how you're going to know that your code is working. That's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Bye bye, see you in the next video.